So before I get into the Metricool affiliate program and what that actually looks like within our platform, I do just want to mention that if you want just a basic overview of what the Metricool affiliate program is, you can go to metricool.com/affiliate-program. And then here we basically lay out, how to join the program, what the program is, what it does, how you can earn commission, the advantages of being affiliate. This is a really great place to start if you like to have a good read through. Of course, I'm going to go through it, but I know that some people like a good explanation, so I will leave that in the description box below so that you can access this page as well. So let's move on to the actual dashboard. So here I am in the Metricool platform. I am using an example account, so of course this will look a little bit different when you are looking at your Metricool platform. You'll most likely have accounts connected and you'll be able to see things like the analytics and the planner. Now, one thing to note is that basically anyone can be an affiliate of Metricool. The only requirement that we really have is that you are a Metricool user. And that doesn't matter whether you're a free user or a premium user, you just have to be a user of some sort. So this is open to everyone, which I think is different cases for different affiliate programs, but ours is open. Anyone can be an affiliate. There is no specific entry requirement to become an affiliate of the program. So looking at the main dashboard, what you're going to want to do is go to the top right-hand corner on the 3 lines. Click on that and you're going to see a bunch of different settings options. You're going to want to scroll down to where Affiliation Program is. Click on Affiliation Program. Now, once you click on Affiliation Program, it's going to take you to the main affiliate program dashboard. And you'll see right here in the right-hand side, you already have an affiliation link. So as long as you have a Metricool account, you have an affiliation link, which is super convenient. You don't have to reach out to us beforehand. You can get started right away. And we have a little copy button here, which makes it super easy to copy that link to your clipboard, and you can start sharing that affiliate link. But everyone's will be unique and different. It's important to also note, though, that this is assigned to you as you become a user, so you cannot change your affiliation link. So this is what it will be. Now, when you look at your affiliation dashboard, you're going to see on the left-hand side, there are 4 different sections to this. So you have the overview page, which we're on right now. You have a stats page, which is going to give you more detailed stats of what's happening with your affiliate link, a payments page, so that will obviously show you, how you've been paid out and any payments you've had, and then a resources section. So I'm going to go through each of the panes to give you a good, well-rounded look at how the affiliate program works. So in the overview page, this one is really nice because it automatically gives you an affiliate summary. So it's going to tell you how many clicks you've had, how many registrations, your earnings, and your balance. And this is going to update, obviously, as you continue to share your affiliate link, and this is overall that nice summary. We also just have a small section that tells you, welcome to the program, and we have a section that also tells you how it works. So if you are going into the affiliate program for the very first time and you happen to come across the affiliation program pane and you click on it, this is also just nice because you have here another way to learn about the program. So how does it work? Basically, you share your link, which is right up here. Again, I'll show you right there, easy to copy. So you share your link and you basically encourage your community to register through it. Now, the way that you earn commission on this link is not only if a user registers, but they have to register as a premium user. So for every premium user, you will get some commission off of that up to the cap. Then you can analyze your results. So you can check the affiliate metrics, which is over here in stats, which we will get to in a second, to analyze your results in detail at any time. We also have a little box that has more information if you would like to learn more about that. It's going to take you to our Metricool affiliate program page, which also just has some additional details. And then 3 is one of the most exciting parts. It's how to earn money and, create that additional income. So you can receive a commission of up to 50% of your user's spending, and it's up to a maximum of $50 per user. So for everyone that you refer that converts to a premium user, you will earn a commission on that amount, and that's up to $50. So it makes it super exciting because you are, generating that additional income while sharing about a product and tool that you already love and use. So that's basically our main dashboard. And then we're going to go into the stats section. So now we are in the stats page, and this is where you can get a really detailed look into your affiliate stats. This is my personal favorite page because while the overview page gives you a really nice overall look into how you are doing in the affiliate program, this one gives you day-by-day statistics. You can choose the time frame, and it just gives that nice look so you can strategize and hopefully, improve your affiliate income. So in the top right-hand corner, you're going to see here that you can choose a time frame of what stats to look like. So for example, I'm going to do just the last 30 days, but you can modify that as you please. So say, for example, you shared the link exactly 1 week ago, so maybe you only want to look at your stats from that day that you shared it to now to kind of keep it the most accurate. So I did the last 30 days, and here it's going to show you day by day how many clicks you got each day and how many registrations you got from those clicks. So for example, on January 2nd, we got 61 clicks and 16 people registered. And you can even see peak days. So for example, on January 25th, there was 189 clicks, but 9 registrations. So this is really nice to kind of see that day-by-day view, depending on the time frame that you choose. You can also choose to toggle one or the other off. So let's say, for example, you just want to see your click data. You can easily see that. Or you just want to see your registration data. That works as well, so you can customize that as you like. And then if you are just looking at that growth chart, if you look right below it, you're going to see traffic sources and visitors countries. Now, this is going to be dependent on the time frame that you chose. So as you are choosing the different time frames, this might change depending on those dates. So for example, on the last 30 days, most of the traffic for this affiliate link has come from YouTube. And the countries that those users have come from are the United Kingdom, the United States, and Canada. So this gives you a nice breakdown too, so you can see that target audience, who are you targeting with your affiliate link, and where that traffic is coming from. I love this page. It is such a great page to really strategize and try to improve, those link clicks and hopefully those conversions from free to premium. Then you're going to want to go to your payments page. Now, this isn't going to show anything because, again, it's an example, but here is where you would see any payments that you have had paid out. So that would show here in the nice little list. And then the last section would be the Resources Center. So this is specifically for affiliates. So the Resources Center page is specifically for affiliates to just have a little bit of extra perks because they are actively using the affiliate program. So we do have official graphic elements that you can download. So these are things like logos, banners, and just some official graphic resources we have here. If you click on download, you are free to share these when you are sharing your affiliate link. So, if you have, let's say, a website, you could put one of our banners on the website with your affiliate link. So there are multiple ways to use these official graphic elements, and they just really bring that sense of, like a verified link by having these graphics go hand in hand with your affiliate link. And then on the right-hand side over here, we have the Metricool tutorials. So this is all of the tutorials of our tool. If you go here, it'll take you to those tutorials. And this is honestly just an extra little help so that you can learn more about the tool, learn the ins and outs, and maybe even some of those underrated features that aren't necessarily as popular. Because as an affiliate, you have the ability to really just share what you want about Metricool, share your favorite features, maybe share something that you discovered that you didn't even know was a part of the tool. It's really up to you how you want to communicate Metricool to your audience. So looking at the Metricool tutorials is a great start because you can really learn about the ins and outs of the program, and you might even learn something new. Okay, so that is basically the overview of the Metricool affiliate program. It's super easy to get started. Like I said, all you have to do is be a Metricool user. And once you become an affiliate and you start to get into the groove of, sharing that link, you will start to see that additional income come in. The very last thing that I will share about the affiliate program is, of course, how you get paid, because I'm sure you are all wondering. So remember when I touched on the payments panel? So in here is where you will see those payments. But in order to get paid out, you do need to make sure that you have a balance of at least $100 US. Once you hit that balance, then you are free to go to our chat support and send us an invoice. We will pay you out through PayPal, and all you have to do is send that invoice once you hit that minimum of $100, and you will be paid out via PayPal. If you would like to know a little bit more about how you would receive your commissions, you can also check this out on the Metricool/affiliate program page. And it says right here, you'll receive your earnings through PayPal, minimum of $100. And then, you can send us an email or via Metricool chat that invoice. And then payments are made immediately upon receipt of the invoice. So you will be paid quickly, and you can start using that additional income as you please. But I highly recommend that you check out this page. We have a couple of extra tips that you can take advantage of, and it's just a nice overview of the program too. So using this and hand in hand with the written explanation, you can be a top affiliate for us. I hope that this was super helpful and that you try out our affiliate program and get to starting to earn that additional income.